Hey everyone, welcome back to Date That Matters. Today, we are diving into a day that celebrates one of the world's favorite comfort foods, pasta. Yes, it's World Pasta Day, observed every year on 25th October. The theme for World Pasta Day 2024 focuses on promoting sustainable pasta consumption. It highlights how this beloved dish can be a part of a balanced diet while minimizing environmental impact. World Pasta Day was established in 1995 during the First World Pasta Congress in Rome. Since then, it has become an annual celebration of pasta's cultural significance, versatility, and ability to bring people together. Pasta isn't just a delicious meal, it's a symbol of cultural unity. From Italy's spaghetti to Asia's noodles, pasta exists in various forms all around the world. Celebrating it reminds us of how food can connect diverse traditions. This day is all about appreciating pasta's global impact. Whether you like it with a simple marinara sauce or a creamy Alfredo, pasta's adaptability makes it a staple in many diets. It's also an opportunity to focus on healthy, affordable eating with a dish that's accessible to almost everyone. The goal of World Pasta Day is to raise awareness about the nutritional benefits of pasta and encourage people to explore new recipes and flavors. This year, the spotlight is also on making pasta consumption more sustainable by choosing eco-friendly ingredients and reducing waste. So, on 25th October, let's all grab our forks and enjoy some pasta while thinking about how we can make our meals more sustainable. Don't forget to share your favorite pasta dishes in the comments.